Hi guys, Sarah here. Today I'm doing my first Christmas Dollar Tree haul, and I wanted to show you some of the things I picked up for some of the upcoming Christmas crafts I'll have going on my channel, as well as just a few other things I picked up. I'm going to start with the wood pieces I found back in the craft section today. I found these little wooden crates and I thought these were absolutely adorable. I can see using them for finishing up some fall crafts as well as transitioning easily into the Christmas season. And I also found this little apple basket, which I thought was perfectly adorable. And again, I picked this up for fall. I have some apple type crafts in mind, and I saw this, I thought it was just perfect. I picked up two of these Clar & Danver liquid hand soap refills. I absolutely love the scents that these come in. We use these all the time. I only wish that they have one that's like an ocean. It's blue. I only wish they had the refills available on that. That stuff smells absolutely fabulous as well. But these are the hand soaps we use in our dispensers year round, and they're great. I picked up this red cutting board. It's just a plastic cutting board, and I am going to be using this in some of my decor. It's red. You may be thinking Christmas, but I am going to paint it, so you will not see the red in it when I'm done. And I also picked up another one of these Betty Crocker spatulas. They're silicone. I have one I use in my kitchen that's just like this, but this one I'm keeping up in my craft room because working with hot glue, it'll come in handy. I grabbed this candy dish, and this was over in the party section. It's a plastic one, but I really liked the look of it, and it would be something that would be quick and easy to decorate for the upcoming holiday seasons as well. I got this basket. It's like a small laundry basket. It was the largest I could find to hold Halloween candy in that wasn't just overtly an ugly plastic bowl. So I'm going to decorate this a little bit for the holidays. But again, since it's just going to be used to hold candy at Halloween, I'm going to make sure that what I do isn't a permanent design on here, so I can reuse this basket for other things. I grabbed some more salad tongs. We eat salad a lot around here, and these aren't the greatest in the world. They do break every once in a while, but I always end up buying more because they make it really easy to grab the salad. The shape is great, and they're $1. I grabbed a couple more cookie tins. These won't be used for crafting themselves, but they are handy little trays to put the different projects on that I'm working on and carry things around, so I do use these quite a bit. I grabbed a few sets of these bamboo, it says bamboo fork, but they are more, I would look at a salad set with the solid side and the fork is what I'm thinking, and these are going to be but I'm going to be decorating these and using these as gifts for the holidays. I found these plastic shot glasses, and I don't know how well you can tell with the light glaring on the plastic, but they're kind of a neat, almost a cut glass feel. I'll show you. Get one out of here. Okay, so they have this look to them, and I thought they were really pretty, and I've got a couple ideas in mind to utilize these in different projects. I picked up the small painter's palette, and this is in Dollar Tree's new craft section, and you know, as much as I paint, I go through some of the small styrofoam plates, but I thought this might be nice to use as well. I picked up several of these fleece scarves in different designs, and I love the fleece, and with the holidays coming up, fleece is just such a nice warm material that can be used in so many different ways and decorations and so forth, that you will be seeing these as well. So I picked up a couple of the blue and tan ones. They only had one of these red ones, but I'm going to keep my eye open for more of these because this is a really neat pattern. And I grabbed this bandana bib. I thought this was so cute. It's a bib that just looks like a bandana, and you can just attach it around behind the baby's head. So I'm not sure if I'll be using this in any upcoming crafts or not, but I really liked the buffalo check pattern on it. I grabbed 2 of these little Christmas trees that Dollar Tree carries, and they're pretty sparse, but I have an idea for them that'll make them look really full and be a nice decor accent piece. And I also picked one up in white. I don't know why, but the white ones are really hard to find, and a couple years ago I had an idea for one. I could not find it. I don't remember what that idea was at this point, but I did pick up a white one. I grabbed it while it was there so I would have it just in case. I found this adorable little tin that's shaped like a mailbox, and I absolutely love this. It's got the little flag that goes up and down. They have them in several different designs. I grabbed the one with the gingerbread on them just because I thought that was the cutest, which is kind of silly because when I'm done with this, you're not going to see the design anyway, but I thought it was adorable. I picked up one of these little candle holders. They're votive holders. You can stick the votive down inside there. The lid can come out to be cleaned, or you can use the jar for something different. The lid is open on the top. There's no insert for it. But I thought this was really cute, and for rustic or country Christmas decor, this would be perfect. I picked up a couple of these coffee mugs. They have them in a few different colors. I just grabbed the white for now. I thought it might be fun to try this since it has the upper rim up here on that cup spinner that I did the video on, and see what I could do as far as designs on the coffee mug itself. I grabbed a set of these blue glass plates. I thought they were really pretty, and I love the fact that they have these as well as the white ones now, and not just the clear ones. And I'm really glad they have the color now instead of just the clear. I picked up a couple of these glass trivets, and I have an idea for these that will be used in, of course, upcoming crafting videos. I picked up some of these Christmas ornaments they have here, and they have an open space where you could put somebody's picture in them, and I thought these had potential. I didn't think these were very well made at all. They're very cheaply made, but I'm going to play with them a little bit, and thinking I will shrink them down, use the basic premise to make my own and use them as gift tags on the grandkids' gifts. I think that would be really cute. Instead of putting their name on there, you'd have a little keepsake ornament that has their picture. And I got, of course, the penguin here, the gingerbread man, and Santa Claus. Found this little woodland owl. I thought he was really cute with the buffalo check on his belly. And I picked up a couple of these little red trucks with the Christmas trees in them. These things are all over the place this year, and they're super cute. A couple packs of the small snowflake ornaments. I got these in the iridescent and the white with the sparkles. I picked up a few sets of these lighted LEDs, and I thought I grabbed all white. I wasn't paying attention. 2 of these are green. I also grabbed a couple of these LED lights that are have the shapes. These are like the old-fashioned Christmas lights, and these are snowflakes. I picked up this copper candle snuffer, and well, I should say aluminum candle snuffer that's copper colored. Picked up some ornaments that are upside down jars, basically, but I thought they would be really cute. Have a lot of possibilities to make some really cute ornaments out of these. I grabbed some small wire wreath forms, and I picked up this sled ornament. I thought that was really cute. I also picked up these craft bottles, and they are basically miniature mason jars, but they are plastic and not glass. I picked up a few colors of their decorative mesh, and this is kind of a, I don't know, periwinkle blue, maybe it's gray, some green with some red threads running through it, and some beige and gold. I picked up a couple more of these snowman hats, these little top hats. I picked up this snow globe kit. This is a little solar powered candle that you set in the window. It stores up the power at night and lights up during the day. Or I'm sorry, stores up the power during the day and lights up at night. See if we can get that to work at all. Yep. So there we go. I picked up some of these little snowflake embellishments. They're, well, they say they're stickers, but they're very cute. They're like an acrylic, shiny metallic blue, and then a clear on the shiny metallic silver background. And these are candle rings. I picked up several signs. I picked up this snowman. It says "Let It Snow" on the bottom. I picked up this sign that says "Let It Snow, Sledding, Build a Snowman." Looks like just different sizes of wood planks. I picked up 2 of these ornament shaped signs. I thought these were super cute, so I grabbed a couple of those. I picked up this sign that again looks like the wood planks. It says "Jingle All the Way" on it, and this is metal is removable. I picked up this tag shaped sign that says "Noel" on it. I thought that was really pretty even as is. And I picked up this adorable sled. It says "Merry Christmas" on it. Picked up a couple rolls of their 15-foot garland. And I picked up a lot of Christmas greenery. And here is some of what I picked up. These I thought were really pretty with this meshy, glittery leaves on top of the white for the poinsettias. Just some red Christmas berries, some dark red poinsettias, and just a bunch more of the Christmas florals just to start working with. Right, and then I just picked up a couple of these little Christmas picks that have the little clips on the back. And that is, well, that is it for today. And I use the term "that is it" lightly, I guess. There was a few things I went in for I could not find today that I've seen other people haul. So I know that Dollar Trees are starting to get in a lot more Christmas items, and it's just something you need to keep checking back for because their inventory changes out all the time. They get new things in all the time, and they're really getting some cute stuff in this year. All right, that's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video, please be sure to hit that like button as well as share it with friends who may also enjoy it. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button, and when the notification bell pops up, be sure you hit that as well so you never miss a video. And, as always, have a great day and stay crafty.